Are you mad? Why did you cut my bead?
Why did I cut your bead? Bro, calm down. Let me explain to you.
What are you trying to explain? Would you shut up your mouth? You want to explain what? That you just came from nowhere and you just cut bead from people? Are you? Have you started releasing more people in this area? Are you normal?
Calm down. I just saved your life.
How did you save my life? Save my life with what? Causing people's bead? I said it. They have started releasing mad people in this area. They have started it. They have started. You are one.
No, calm down. She used charm on this bead and she has been using it on you.
What are you saying? Which charm are you talking about? Are you okay?
Wait, you see how you're lying. Like you're still lying.
Christ. I don't know you.
You don't know. Oh, you're still. You know my father. You know my father. You're still lying. If you lie one more time, you're going to run mad. You have not seen this face before.
I've heard you.
Daddy.
I have told you severally. When you see me with people here, you don't just come in. Eh? Just hold on. As I was saying, I've heard you. Now, you see, make sure this bead is always on your waist.
Okay.
You hear me?
Yes, sir.
Make sure it is always on your waist. Anything you ask of him, anything you ask him for the world, he will give you. And it is wherever you put him, you will meet him. Our people say the only woman who knows where her man is every time is a widow. It's a lie. You are going to know where this your man is every time, and you are not a widow. It's not your time. It's not your portion to die. Take it.
Baba, even when I want to bathe, I should still leave it on my waist.
Yeah, it doesn't. Water doesn't do anything. You understand?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
My dear, what are you trying to say?
Daddy, I was going out. I wanted to tell you that your food is inside the kitchen in case you need anything, your food and your water.
Okay. When you see me with customer, you know.
Sorry, Daddy.
Okay, now you do it. But don't be long, go.
Alright.
Yeah, I've seen your face. Babe, let's go.
No, make me understand. You've seen our face before. So, is what she's saying the truth? Make me understand. What's going on here?
Nothing. Let's go.
Calm down. She has been using this bead to collect money from you, and she has been giving that money to Ima. Ima supposed to be her boyfriend, her supposed boyfriend, her original lover.
Babe, are you going to believe what she's saying? Let's go. Not what? She's lying.
Hold on. At first, how did she know Ima? And wait, what you told me, if I may remember, is you said Ima is your brother. So how is this thing? Wait. Hold on. So all the money you've been collecting is you've been giving it to.
Well, me, I know you don't know me, but I know you I stay very close to your place. My father is a very powerful man, and from what I heard, the boys are very happy about you for what you do for them. That's why I just came to save you. Cause it's not be fair enough if a very good person like you is being tied down just for nothing because of our own selfish interests. That's why I just came to save you, and I also like you. That's all. So
Thank you. Yeah, thank you.
Wicked.
Don't come closer to me. Don't just come closer to me. Stay there. Stay. Let me understand.
Everything she said was a lie.
Everything she said was a lie, but she was standing here. You couldn't even defend yourself. You even told her that you know her, and she even told you. She even knows about Ima.
I know her, but...
Would you just shut up your filthy mouth? Would you? You're still saying the same thing. This person here just told me now that you've been... So, that is the thing you've been doing. This is all your plans all this while. It's all good. Thank God, my eyes has been open to see the truth and the reality now. And I know what to do to you. You understand? So, yes, as for the money that you've collected and everything you've collected so far, so good. You can have them. Everything, I give it to you. I dash you. You can have it. And please, I want to beg you from this moment. I just want to use God Almighty to beg you. As I am living like this now, please do not follow me. If you know what is good for you and you don't want to die untimely death or die young, because now I will show you, I will bring out the dragon in me, the fire in me, it might burn you to ashes. I'm being serious right now. So now, if I go like this, you move like this. If you see me coming like this, you move back. Don't touch me. Okay? Thank you very much. Eh? And thank God for sending this young lady to come here. So this is what you've been doing. You know what do you stand to gain? Let me understand. What? Just stay away from me, okay? Please.